guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. We have arrived at week 3 of my Me Made May 2020, and it's all about tops and bottoms. I have a selection of clothes that I'm going to be showing you. One of my mostly my favorite combinations to wear, and let's just get into it. We start off with the Oliver top together with the Burda pencil skirt. This skirt also comes as a dress, which I made many years ago. Both of the items I finished this year because they were part of my fashion mood board. It has a split in the back, the skirt does, so it does give me some wiggle room. But this is definitely a combination that I could wear to work, just put on some shoes, and I'm ready to go. I really feel myself in this one. This Astoria sweater, which I made almost 3 years ago. It was my very first pattern of Seamwork, from the Seamwork brand, and the skirt is from Naaitrends. It has this entire ruching or gathering in the front, which makes it a little more artistic and a little more fun than a simple mini skirt. It has a split in the back as well as just a zipper as a closure. Both fabrics are stretch fabric, and I enjoy the fact that the skirt has pockets. This outfit is just fun. My next outfit, we're still in the tops and bottoms like I mentioned before, and my hair is becoming more a mess as I am getting in and out of clothes. We have Namedclothing top combined with a copy of a skirt that I didn't want to let go. And so this is the entire outfit. This is the Gemma sweater by Namedclothing. This skirt right here, I bought the original one years ago, when I think in 2014, and it was a cognac color, and I wore it at least once or twice a week. So I wore it to the last thread, and what I did was I decided to just rip the seams, copy them. It is the exact same copy. Yes, this is my favorite outfit to date. I had this outfit on when I went to work a few days ago when I was at the office, because you guys, my Alice shirt with my knip skirt. Yes, that's how much I love it. I don't even have words for it. The color combination is bomb. This says Mrs. Buitenbeentje to a T. And then the fit is good. It has a split in the back. It's just rich. It's just rich. I feel like a boss. That's what I feel like. I just feel like a boss. Like I own the company where I work at. Crazy! My last outfit. Now, I just finished being your boss, and now I'm ready to party or go to happy hour. And so I have on this plissé skirt. This is the only skirt in the entire selection that I made this week that was purchased. It was purchased from H&M about less than 2 years ago. And this shirt is also by Seamwork. It is the Jane, and I made this I think around the same, a few months before I bought this skirt. And I just like them together and then top it off with a red high heel, and I'm good to go. With this video, I just wanted to show you and inspire you how you can wear your clothes and actually wear them with pride. There is no distinction between something that I bought or something that I made. And even if there is, you did it. It is your work and you should be proud to wear it. And so that brings me to the end of my video. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Stay tuned for next week, because next week we are going to a party. Have a great day.